They say the best thing comes in small packages. But what if those packages didn't just hold a gift? What if they held a memory? Welcome back, fellow creators and entrepreneurs. Today we are diving into a design trend that is absolutely taking the handmade world by storm. The crochet baby shoes bouquet. Imagine a floral arrangement that never wilts, featuring tiny hand-stitched slipper tucked into a bed of silk roses. Whether you are a seasoned maker looking for your next bestseller or a gift giver tired of the same old plastic toy, stay with me. Over the next 5 minutes, I am going to show you why this specific design is a goldmine for your Etsy or Shopify store and how you can style it to stop the scroll. Why is bouquet? Because presentation is 90% of the sale. In a crowded marketplace like Etsy, you aren't just selling crochet shoes, you are selling a moment. Look at this design by pairing soft cotton booties with high quality fox greenery. You are elevating $20 item into a $60 premium gift sets. Notice the texture here. We have the petals, Mary Jane, with scalloped edges that mimic flower leaves and the rosebud booties. Whether the anklet straps actually looks like a blooming vine. When you are designing for baby girls, think beyond these pinks. Think dusky rose, sage greens, and champagne. These everlasting bouquets are becoming the go-to for gender reveals and newborn photography props. Now let's talk business. If you are listing these on Shopify or Etsy, your photos need to tell a story. Your main photo should be the full bouquet in a beautiful box or a basket, the hero shot. The next one is the detail shot. Buyers want to see the tension of your stitch. It proves the quality. The scale, place a common object nearby, a better yet, a soft plushie, so they can see how tiny your precious these are. Pro tip for your Shopify store, offer a build your own bouquet. Opinions. Let's customer pick your shoe style and flower colors. Personalization is the highest converting tool in these handmade industries. It turns a one time buyer into a lifelong fan. People don't just want you to make, they want you to make it, including behind the scenes footages in your videos. Listing our social media is crucial. Show the care that goes into every loop, show the high quality, hypoallergenic yarn. You see, when a customer sees the labor of love required to assemble a shoe bouquet, the price tag becomes an investment in art, not just an expense. And don't forget the packaging. A simple craft ball with sheer ribbon can make this unboxing experience feel like a luxury event. The world of crochet is evolving, and these shoe bouquets are the perfect blend of traditional and modern gifting. These are timeless, beautiful, and most importantly, profitable. If you are ready to start your own collection, I have left some inspiration and resources linked in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found these designs inspiration and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of creative businesses. Now go grab your hook and pick your palette and let's create something beautiful. Happy stitching!